गोंयच्या थळाव्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तसेच प्रिंट प्रसार माध्यमां अंतर्गत क्रिकेट टोर्नामेंट जालो. तरुण भारत आनी गोवा दूद पंगड मॅचीचे जैतिवंत आनी उपजैतिवंत पंगड थारले. ह्या वेळार गृहनिर्माण मंत्री जयेश साळगांवकर आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Congratulations to the organizers first place also tournament घडोवन हाडल्याबद्दल and giving opportunity to the sports lovers in the press. Everybody itches to play cricket and to give them opportunity is one good thing, and I congratulate the organizers. Well played finals. I congratulate both the winners and the runners up. I used to play on this ground as I used to get trained in this nets. I've played for states. I have represented Goa in junior level. So cricket is a game which is very, very dear to me. I too love playing cricket. So why not? It's a very good idea that there should be a match, a friendly match between the press and the government. And it will build up a good rapport. It will build up a good relation between us, and we can do a lot of things if we have good rapport. I look forward for this tournament, and I look forward for his help in organizing such lovely tournaments, and also initiating the tournament that will be played between the government and the press again.